Diretso na ba yan?
10. Tent. Bed. Wow.
Double L ba yung well?
Nanay. Nanay, sabi mo manunood ako.
Kami ngayon mag-ano sa kuya.
Nest. Web. No. Jet.
Bakit pag ganyan ang bilis mo?
Siyempre, sa kuta. Bow.
Hindi anak, pag paborito mo lang, yun lang yung mabilis ka. Oh. What's this?
Net.
Oh. Ask Christ for... How do you read this? Gave. Oh, very good. Missing word. Missing letter, I mean. Na, sulat mo.
Yung ano?
Next.
Ako.
Ayan siya, oh. Sige, wait lang. Next. Nak, wait lang po. Oh, sige, come on. Answer.
Wang, wang, wang. Wang, wang, wang,
Nak,
wang.
baka masira eh. Pwede pag ano. Oh.
Lang, lang, lang.
Oh, come on, answer.
The falling sleep. Ting, 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 ting. The falling sling. Pick up, pick up.
Match the
Bakit?
pictures.
Mommy, mommy.
Courage. Match the pictures with the with the
So,
anong sounds? How do you read this? Oh,
wait.
oh, come on.
Bah!
Oh, mamamalo ako. Minsan mo.
Nasasama ko sa'yo.
Minsan mo na, nak. Read.
Next.
Careful naman. Basahin mo.
This jar.
Is it jar? Are you sure?
Jam. Jammer. Buburahin na.
Anak, ayusin mo naman yung faces mo. Okay na. Next. Ayusin mo, anak, ha. Next.
Hand. Where are you, hand? Okay. Okay. Paint.
Careful, ha. Nakikita mo to? Nakikita mo tong ito? Oh, careful. Ayusin mo.
Nest. Meow, boom bam. 10. Boom. Lululululu.
Anak, ayusin mo, ha.
Chicken. Bill.
Next time, ayoko ng ganyan, ha. Burahin mo nga. Ayusin mo ulit. Straight line. Ayoko ng ganyan. Burahin mo ulit. Again. Ito muna.
Okay.
Kailangan dito maayos, ha. Ayoko ng gusto ko straight line lang. Oh. Answer.
So
Answer. Read this.
Web.
Oh. Where's the web?
Web.
Straight line ha. Ayoko ng likuliko. Papaulit ko sa yan ng madala ka. Ayusin mo. Read this.
Tag.
Where's the tag? Oh.
9.
Read.
Bigayan ng ASE. Ng ASE.
ACE. Oh.
ACE.
Oh. How do you read this? Ano to?
Bed.
Where's bed?
Bed.
Oh, read. Read.
Tent.
Oh, I say tent. Oh, read. Ano yan?
Well?
Where's well? Ayusin mo ha.
Double L pala yan eh.
Oh, double L yung well. Oh, how do you read this?
Red.
Oh, last.
Jet.
Let's read.
Whee!
Read. Circle
the
ayusin mo. Ano ba yan?
picture.
May S.
Pictures.
Japes.
We
ang tagal mo naman. Sounds.
Mabaho.
We
Mabaho.
have
Have the E sound.
okay. Circle mo lahat na may E sounds. Not E ha, but E sounds. So, come on.